Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. I hope you're doing fantastic. Let me talk you through on how I created this subtle yet elegant look on my client for our birthday shoot. If you want to see how, then keep on watching. I started off by prepping her skin to ensure a smooth base for makeup application. Hydration is key, especially for that radiant birthday glow. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and also share with your makeup besties. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're my Regis. Thank you for your constant love and support. I truly appreciate you and do not take it for granted. I love you and I can't love you less. God bless you. Now onto foundation. I'm using a lightweight formula to even out her skin tone while still letting her natural beauty shine through. The goal is for her to look flawless but not overly done. And the foundation I'm using is from Avourcosmetics. Make sure you take your time to blend in everything. As you all know, I like to use my brush to blend very well before going in with Beauty Blender. But in all that you do, always avoid the under eyes. Don't put too much product under the eyes to avoid creasing. As you can see, I've not got into the eyes because I would definitely see use concealer, so avoid the under eye area. Now I'm going in with a Beauty Blender to make sure I blend in everything seamlessly. Next up is cream blush. I'm applying cream blush right now, followed by contour, and when that is properly blended, I'm going to apply concealer on the T-zone areas to brighten up that area. I've explained the tips and tricks already. I've given you tips and tricks on how to apply your concealer in my previous video, so go ahead and watch that if you haven't. And the brush I'm using right now to blend out the concealer is from Nubanbeauty. Guys, I love this brush. It's so it does the work for me. Once that is done, I set the concealer with powder. I'm going to list all the products used in the description, so make sure you check that out to see the products I use and what color, what shade, what brand, to figure out what I'm using. After setting the under eye concealer, I'm going ahead to set the nose contour. What I would normally do, contour the hairline, jawline, the outlines of your cheekbone, to add that depth. And once that is done, I'm going to go ahead with powder blush as well to add warmth to her face. After proper blending of the powder, contour, blush, because they're all powder products, you need to take your time to blend. Then I went ahead to bake, allow that to seed, to keep the under eye fresh while you're doing other things. So move ahead to eyeshadow. I'm applying the eyeshadow primer, and the eyeshadow primer I'm using is NYX. You already know by now. For the eyes, we're keeping it simple yet glamorous. I'm using a mix of neutral matte shades to create depth and dimension. After the eyeshadow, I applied gel liner to line our eyes. This is me applying black eyeshadow to set the gel liner, that way it's not creasing, it's not moving. After that, I fix our eyelashes. Next was me applying brown eyeliner under our waterline and above the waterline, just beneath the lash line, to give me that soft brown smoky eye effect. Now let's tackle those brows. We're going for a soft natural shape that frames our face beautifully. Remember, brows can make or break a look, so take your time. Make sure you pay attention to every tiny detail. So while I was outlining her brows, concealing, and applying mascara and lipstick, my phone stopped recording because I had no enough space on my phone. My apologies. But yeah, this is me finishing up by applying highlighter. I had already applied a lipstick, before the hairstylist started styling her hair. By the way, Daphne styled her hair, Daphne Beauty. You can check her out on Instagram. And voila! Our soft glam bedding makeup look is complete. Our bedding girl looks absolutely stunning and ready to celebrate in style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, stay fabulous.